Hello children, so today we are going to do exercise 7.1 sum number 8. This is the last sum in triangles chapter. They have said that in right triangle ABC, that means ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at C. So this information says that given angle C is equal to 90 degree, right angled at C, M is midpoint of hypotenuse AB. That means M is the midpoint of AB. That means AM is equal to BM. So this is also given. Side AM is equal to BM. And then in the last they have given that DM is equal to CM. So DM is equal to CM. So these 3 points we have understood from this question. Now they have asked us to prove that AMC is congruent to BMD. AMC is congruent to BMD. So we have to take these two triangles. So in this we already know that AM is equal to BM. So this is one point, and then DM is equal to CM, that is also given. And when these two lines intersect, that is DC and AB, what happens children? These two form vertically opposite angles. Whenever two lines intersect, they form two vertically opposite angles. So this triangle is equal to this angle. So we will write these 2 points, 3 points. AM is equal to BM. Proof AM is equal to BM. And what is the, why are they equal children? Because it is the midpoint, as M is midpoint of hypotenuse AB. And second point is DM is equal to CM. What is the reason? It is given in the question. And third point is vertically opposite angles are equal. So I'll start with A and D. So if I'm starting with A for this triangle, here I should start with B, because A, B are lying on the same side. It is the hypotenuse. So AMC is equal to, angle AMC is equal to BMD. So if you see, this is your side, this is your side, and this is your angle. Let us look at the pattern. This comes as side, angle, side. This is your side, this is your angle vertically, and this is your side. So we can say by side angle side congruence, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. This is your first point. Now we have to show that angle DBC is a right angle. That means you have to show this DBC is a right angle. We already know angle C is 90 because it is given in the question. It is right angled at C. Now you have to prove this is 90. So if these two lines were parallel and if this was the transversal, then this would have become co-interior angles. So that means first we have to prove these lines are parallel. How will we prove that children? We can show, suppose this is the diagram. Now if I show this and this are equal, they form alternate interior angles, right? If you see, if I take this transversal, that is DC, okay, and if I show that these two lines are parallel and this alternate interior angles are equal, so the lines are parallel, so I have to show this point. If I show this point, then I can prove that these two lines are parallel. So what is this angle forming? ACM is in the middle. So ACM is equal to BDM. ACM, that means from here to here, ACM, that is this, is equal to BDM. Let me see whether they are forming in this congruent part. ACM, yes, they are forming the same pattern. BDM. So ACM is equal to BDM. What is the reason children? They are congruent parts of congruent triangle. So if these two are equal, that means alternate interior angles are equal. But they are alternate interior angles. So if alternate interior angles are equal, that means AC is parallel to BD. So you can say AC is parallel to BD and they are also equal. See here children, pattern first and last, and this is also first and last. That means side AC is equal to side BD. So to prove this one, angle DBC is a right angle, you have to understand, you have to prove that co-interior angles are supplementary. To show that co-interior angles are supplementary, you have to show these two lines are parallel. To show these two lines are parallel, you have to show alternate interior angles are equal. And that brings us again to this first sum. So once you have proved alternate interior angles are equal, you have shown that these two lines are parallel, and now this is the transversal. Okay. Now if I take out this, right? So this is D, this is B, this is C, and this is A. Now DB is parallel to AC, we have proved, and this is also equal to this. Now can we say, children, for the second part of the sum that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180? What is the reason? Because co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. In this, angle C we know is 90 degree because it is given in the question right angle at C. So instead of angle C, I will write 90. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 90, and angle B is 90. So this we had to prove that angle DBC is 90, and we have proved DBC is 90. Now coming to the third part of the question, DBC is congruent to ACB. Now they are asking us to prove this. DBC, that is this full triangle DBC, is congruent to ACB. ACB, that is this. Now if you see, children, if you look closely, we know 3 points. This is already equal, we have proved in the first sum. Side AC is equal to side BD. So if I write side AC is equal to side BD, and angle B is equal to angle C, because angle C is 90 given in the question, angle B is 90, we have proved here. So angle B is equal to angle C equal to 90. So this is CPCT, and this we can say as proved above. And this BC is in this triangle also, and this BC is in this triangle. That means BC is becoming common. So you can say BC is equal to BC common side. Now what is this pattern again, children? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So they form the pattern side, angle, side. So you can say by side, angle, side, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle AC. Now we have to come to the last part of the sum. They have said CM is equal to half AB. You have to prove that. CM is equal to half AB. Now if AB is involved, we know AB and AB, that is this hypotenuse. If AB is involved, that means DC has to be involved. So I can say DC or CD is equal to AB. How? See, children, in this point DC and AB are forming same pattern. So DC is equal to AB CPCT. So we don't know here actually what all we have to take. Only when we move to the next column, we understand that this has to be proved, then we will go there and write. So CD is equal to AB, this is proved above. Now, can I say DC? Here M is there and M is the midpoint, is written in the question, M is the midpoint. So, can I say that this is equal to this because M is the midpoint? So, I can say 2 times CD, 2 times CM. CD becomes 2 times. Like suppose if DC is 10 and M is in the middle, that means 2 times of CM is only CD. So, 2 times of CM becomes AB. So this 2 by 1 when it goes, because if there is nothing in the denominator, it is 1. So if 2 by 1 goes this side, it becomes 1 by 2. And this is what we have to. Hope you understood the sum, children.